Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Real Vacation Lifestyle, also known as TRVL, okay? It's a travel club that if you decide to join, you could get discounts on airfare, hotels and stuff like that. I'm going to be going over everything, and you could also book your own flights and reservations. It's not in any way, shape, or form a travel agency. We don't book flights or anything like that. You all do that yourself by becoming a member of this travel club. All right, so I'm gonna go over it right now. So so some of our amazing services, you get VIP airport lounge access. Now that's for you all who have layovers and have to wait in line or have to wait in the lobby area. You could just get access to our VIP airport lounge access. Okay, and then the next one is the best prices. Okay, we compete with Travelocity and those other companies as well too, like Cheapo Air and some other ones. Okay, you get the luxury travel marketplace. Okay, and then you get daily discounts. Like I said, not just on airfare, but on hotels and car rentals as well too. All right, you get access to the private MIDI jet just in case you get hurt, and they'll have a medical jet that'll fly out to wherever you're at, and then airlift you to the hospital. Okay, the nearest hospital. Okay, you also have flight insurance as well too, so that's always good to have when you're going on a trip. And then you have the VIP concierge as well too, so you could talk with them. And then you also have the cashback reward. So any purchases you make, you do get cash back with that. So that's a really great offer. So for the month of December, so you have 10 days left. It is just $49 to lock in your spot. Okay, so the different travel packages is the weekender pack. It's $179, and then after that, it's $79 each month. But with that, you get our booking engine for air, the car, and hotel activities and cruises. Okay, and then you get the best promised prices, like I mentioned earlier. You get daily discounts, and then you get the travel flight insurance. Okay, and then the Explorer pack is $299, and then $99 a month. After that, you get the Weekender Plus, so everything that was included before. Plus, you get the vacation rental deals. You get the travel bucket list experience, travel cashback program, and then travel exclusive specials. Okay, and then you get the with the Jet Setter pack. It's $499 plus $129 per month. You get the Explorer Plus luxury travel marketplace, travel VIP airport lounge access, travel VIP concierge services, and the travel private mini jet services as well. Okay, so there is six different ways that you could get paid with this program, in addition to the luxury travel that I just mentioned. And there's a matrix plan that you could get a part of. It's a 3x9 matrix, and then you get the fast start bonus that's paid weekly. You get the generational bonus that's paid weekly. You get the referral group travel that's paid monthly. You get the 3x9 forced matrix, which is paid monthly. The lifestyle bonus, that's paid monthly. Quarterly bonus pool, paid monthly. And then all you have to do is just lock in your spot for $49. And you also get our team bonuses. You'll get access to our team marketing system for free once you join. You get the world class marketing training and support in our Facebook group. You get eye popping capture pages, high converting sales funnels, engaging email follow up swipes, done for you copy for social media posts, reliable traffic sources, and a lot more as well too. So if you are ready to get started with this program, like I said, it's only $49 to lock in your spot for the month of December. So there's 10 more days, and then there's 13 more days until the actual launch of the program. So click on the link to get started today. All right. Once again, YouTube, have a good one.